Okay, I'm tired because of this bad boy. Now, give me 1 second. What if you could buy a pre-built gaming PC today and not have to worry about upgrading for years to come? I'm talking no more checking system requirements, no more dialing back the settings, just buttery smooth, high frame rate gaming on every new release. Is the dream, right? It's been taking my sleep away. But let's be real. We've all been burned by that future-proof promise before, right? So let's talk about a machine that makes that exact claim. A premium South African pre-built that pairs some of the most powerful and forward-looking components available in the market. I'm talking 2026 right now, okay? In a market full of bold promises. Could this right here truly be a long-term beast? Or is it just another expensive box that'll be, well, obsolete in like about 2 years? Let's break it down. Straight out of the box, a PC at this level should have a real presence, okay? A clean dual chamber case with massive glass panels. Showing off a super clean built inside. I mean, flawless cable management is something you absolutely have to expect at this price, okay? No bargaining chip here. And it makes the whole thing look professional and ready to be the centerpiece of your setup, okay? This screams, look at me. For cooling, 360mm liquid AIO with a massive 7-inch display is the way to go, okay? Sure, looks incredible, right? But it's also built to keep a high-end CPU under control, even during heavy gaming, content creation, or benchmarking. And this isn't just a simple screen that shows CPU temperatures or system stats. No! It's actually a fully functional 7-inch LCD display with a 1200 x 800 resolution. That acts as a secondary monitor in Windows. That means you can extend that bad boy or duplicate your desktop monitor, your hardware in real time, watch YouTube, keep Discord open, or display custom wallpapers and animations while you game. I mean, Goku looking at you while you just... The display is also magnetically attached to the pump, making it easy to remove, rotate, and position exactly how you want it inside the case. Backing it all up is a full squad of RGB case fans. Look at those. Huh? Ensuring there's plenty of airflow to keep every component cool while giving the entire build that premium showcase look. Around the back, the I/O is completely modern too, with plenty of high-speed USB ports and Wi-Fi 7, making this build, well, ready for both today and the future. Opening it up reveals the heart of our future-proof argument. For the processor, we slot in AMD's Ryzen 7 9050 X3D. It's an 8-core, 16-thread CPU from the Zen 5 generation, and that X3D is the magic ingredient. It means the chip has a massive 96 megabytes of L3 cache, a technology that has consistently made these CPUs some of the fastest for gaming. This specific model, which launched in January 2026, boosts up to 5.6 gigahertz and sits on the AM5 platform. And this is where the longevity argument really gets interesting. At Computex 2026, AMD confirmed it would support the AM5 socket through 2029. This is huge, I don't need to tell you, because it suggests a clear upgrade path for at least a couple more CPU generations without needing a whole new motherboard. Paired with it is the GPU everyone's been talking about, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080, built on the Blackwell architecture. This card launched with 16 gigabytes of incredibly fast GDDR7 memory. The Blackwell architecture is built around next-gen ray tracing and AI-driven performance with DLSS, which is exactly what you want for upcoming games, okay? The only potential bottleneck in a build like this might be the 1 terabyte of storage. Since game sizes are always ballooning, but that's one of the easiest parts to upgrade down the line. It's okay, you'll be fine. Specs are just numbers on a page, okay? How does a machine like this actually play? Well, at 4K, it's projected to be an absolute monster. And demanding titles with full path tracing cranked up, relying on DLSS, should make high refresh rate 4K gaming a reality. We're likely talking well over 100 FPS in visually stunning games that would bring older systems to their knees, and shamefully so. But what if you're a competitive player? Switch to titles like Valorant or Apex Legends, for instance, drop the resolution to 1440p and the frame rate should be astronomical, easily pushing past the 240Hz and even 360Hz refresh rates of modern esports monitors. The combo of the RTX 5080's power and the 9850 X3D Giant's cache makes this an elite competitive rig. The performance uplift from the 9850 X3D over its direct predecessors is often in the 3 to 8% range in CPU limited scenarios, which solidifies a spot at the top of the gaming CPU hierarchy, by the way. Is this PC truly future-proof? I mean, that term is loaded, okay? But this build makes one of the strongest cases we've seen in a while. The future readiness here isn't just about day one performance, it's about the platform. The extended support for the AM5 socket until at least 2029 honestly is a game changer for pre-builds, offering value that goes way beyond the initial purchase. The RTX 5080 with its 16GB of VRAM and Blackwell architecture is well positioned to handle the next wave of graphically intense games. You might need to lean on future versions of DLSS for 4K path trace games in a few years, but the hardware foundation is rock solid. This PC right here isn't just for playing today's games, it's designed with the games of 2028 and beyond in mind. To infinity and beyond! As a premium pre-built system, everything arrives professionally assembled. That means you can skip the hassle of building it yourself and jump straight into gaming, content creation, or whatever workload you throw at it. It also comes backed by a local warranty and support, giving you extra peace of mind if you ever need assistance down the line. These guys are great. I mean, just call them 3 in the morning and you tell me if they're not friendly. If you want to check out the full specifications or learn more about this exact configuration, you'll find the link in the description down below. So, who should buy a PC like this? Well, this is for the gamer who wants to invest in a high-end system and just not think about it again for a long time. It's for someone who values plug-and-play convenience and a local warranty but isn't willing to compromise on top-tier performance. Now, while no PC is truly future-proof, forever at least, this one gets incredibly close. It combines one of the fastest gaming CPUs on long-term platform with a GPU that's ready for the next generation of graphics. For a hassle-free, ultra-high-end gaming experience in South Africa that will last for years, a build like this is the answer.